Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Astral Bond Set. First, let's prepare for success. Your Astral Bond Set comes as two distinct colored sticks. Before you begin, make sure your workspace is clean, well ventilated, and free from any contaminants. For your safety, always remember to wear protective gloves and eye protection. It's also crucial to prepare your surfaces by cleaning and lightly abrading them. This ensures the best possible adhesion for your bond. Now, let's get to the core of using your Astral Bond Set: mixing and application. This is a hand-kneadable epoxy putty, so you'll cut equal amounts from both of the colored sticks. Then, knead these two parts together thoroughly for 1 full minute until you achieve a completely uniform color. Once mixed, apply the putty firmly to your repair area, pressing it well into any gaps or cracks. You have about 10 to 13 minutes of working time to shape the putty as needed before it begins to set. Once applied, proper setting and curing are essential for achieving maximum bond strength. The Astral Bond putty will begin to set within 20 to 25 minutes after you've finished mixing it. During this initial setting period, it's important to avoid disturbing the bonded area. A great feature is that after just 60 minutes, the cured putty can be drilled, sawed, carved, sanded, or even painted. However, for the absolute best and most durable results, we highly recommend allowing a full 24 hours for complete curing. To ensure your Astral Bond projects are always successful and long-lasting, here are a few extra tips. Always ensure your surfaces are completely free from dust, rust, oil, or moisture before applying the putty. Using emery paper or a grinder to abrade the surface can significantly improve binding. Remember to store any unused putty in a cool, dry place, sealed in its original packaging, to maintain its effectiveness. And finally, dispose of any mixed but unused putty and tools responsibly, following local guidelines.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.